Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, and trying to help somebody do this. And rightfully so, this is probably perspective, but you could do it with the envelope tool. I think get into to make them identical with your logo and everything. I just drew a shape that's kind of like, all I did is take a rectangle, convert it to a curve, and make one end smaller. So now I can take my word and go up to the envelope tool. Tell you what, let me convert it to a curve. Go to the envelope tool. And what I'm going to do first, I'm going to take away these two center nodes in each direction. Then I'm going to select all the nodes and I'm going to right click. I'm going to turn them into a line. That way I can't make them in an arc. So this one, I'm going to control or hit plus key on the keyboard, and I'm going to mirror it the other way, and I'm going to put it over here. So now we can grab this one that's in the envelope tool. You can always just grab your shape tool and it'll come back. And I'm going to put that one right there. I'm going to put that one right there. I'm just going to the nudge or to those corners, and it's actually snapping too. Now, that's not really a perspective, but I think once you angled it, you're -8 degrees, it would look pretty much like a perspective and accomplish the same thing. Same thing here, envelope tool. I've already taken away, I was practicing on this one. Let's move a little closer to our item. And I'd already turned them into lines. Let's just double check by right clicking. No, I didn't maybe. So select them all. Turn them into a line is pretty important so you can't mess it up. And then you could actually grab two at a time and you get it closer, and then grab that one. You can grab that one. You can grab that one. And let's rotate this one 8 degrees and get rid of that box. Our box was just a useful hint. Those two are exactly the same size and proportion. Going away from, if it was on a wrap to a car, that might help this young man with this logo to be able to do that. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.